Hi, mm, this is Vinay Kumar, and we are discussing some basic concepts of SQL. So, actually, mm, today I am discussing some join concepts SQL. So, it's very interesting. Let's see. Okay. Mhm. The concept is too clear. So, mm, this is one table data, and this is another table data. These three are null. Okay, these three blanks are null, and what the common data here? The common data elements are element values. What it will be? 1, either this table has 1 and this table has 1, and 2 is not there in this table and 2 is there in this table, and 3. So 1 and 3 is the common join, common element values, right? So what I want, generally how it will be mapping? Generally it maps, see, for example, this value matches this value, this table value, then only it will maps now based on that condition. So this one maps with this one. Basically an inner join, how it will be works, this one maps with this one, and this one maps with this one, and this one maps with this one. Okay, done. And similarly this one maps with this one, and this one value maps with this one, and this one maps with this one. Okay, total how many records based on this one? 6 records. It will generate 6 records. So similarly this 3 maps with this 3, this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, good. So how many inner joins? Inner join. Okay, how many elements that I am producing for these two tables? So similarly, same. So this one here maps with this one. So simply I am splitting now. So nothing is there here. So what the common things and common elements that I am making here? That's it. Okay. So nothing. Basically maps with, see, on this condition on, so make an inner join of these two tables, and condition what this column value matches with this table column value. That's it. So total 10 records generating now. So for example, mm, 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 for inner join, how many records I'm getting? 10 records. For example, for left join I'm getting 10 plus records, rest of the remaining records of the left table. Okay, so first of all, inner join, left join is equal to inner join plus the balancing records of the left table. So similarly, right join, first of all, inner join plus the balancing records, total 5 balance records now. So 5. So full join, inner join, and left table 1 plus 5 remaining inner join, and left anti join, and right anti join. So left anti-join means, see, actually left anti-join means, mm, this is very good one. How can I explain that one? Full anti-joins. Hmm? So first of all, execute this one. After that one, I'm executing these three. Okay. So first of all, these four. So whether I am getting good data or not. So for example, already, I want to see this one. This is the T1 table and this is the T2, and select star from T1 alias A. Let's run it. So 3 ones, 2, 3 fours, 3 ones, 2, 3 fours, and make a join out of T2 B on the condition of A dot C equal to B dot C. So total how many records? Total 10 records. 10 records now. That to 6 ones and 4 threes. Correct? So good. So total 10 records for inner join. This is good. Okay. For example, here what I am getting? Here I am getting left join, right? So first of all, executing inner join and remaining left table records. Okay. So similarly, right join. So right join, first of all, basically inner join and then 2 fours and then 3 nulls. Correct? 5. So full outer join. Full outer join, what, 16, right? So yeah, 16. Full outer join, 16 records. Correct? Yeah, yeah, absolutely good one. Absolutely good. So, so good. See, here the concept is so simple. Actually, this is inner join records. Wait and hold on. And I want to make it a small color here. So this is inner join records. This is inner join. So inner join plus left of the table. Uh, I want to change some new color for here, and for here pink. Sorry. Okay. So left anti-join means I want, see, the concept is too clear. Left anti-join means I want all the records from the left table, but I don't want inner join records. That is a left anti-join record. Okay. I left anti-join means I want left table records, but in this table have I don't want inner join records. You got it right? So how it will be, how you can treat it as, so for example, left join. So I don't want inner join records. This is A table now. This is A table records. See what the condition is. The condition is too clear. You can filter this one where right table primary key. What the condition that you have put it, right? Right table BC is null. Must and should null. You can see this one is null, is null. Then only the records I want it. This is left anti-join. This is left anti-join. So what I want, I want these records. I want only these records. This is called left anti-join. So I want right anti-join. See, left anti-join has how many records? Left anti-join has only one record. Left anti-join has only one record. Right anti-join has 5 records. For example, full anti-join. Full anti-join is nothing but this one and this 5. So 1 plus 5. That's it. So uh, similarly here I am right anti-join giving, and where left table primary keys null. That's it. Left table parameter is null. That's it. So what I want a full anti-join. I want full join records, but in this result set have I don't want inner join records. So where a dot c is null or b dot c is null. Sorry, for oh, this is right hand join now. You can give full join. Yep, getting now good. So 6 now, 6 records will be there. So I think this is pretty good question. And one more concept is there. That is wait. Good concept. Actually, this is very good one. Wait. Uh, so sorry. Control Z. Wait. And cross join will be there now. So some cross join will be there, right? So cross join is nothing but every record maps with any other of every record of the other table. So select star from T1 CRY cross join T2. That's it. Nothing condition because 88 is 64. See, 64 records here I am getting because this table has 8 records and this table has 8 records. Every record of this table maps with this other table, right? So nothing is there. So cross join nothing. So that's it. So I think one more concept is there. This is very good concept. So start from T2. Let's run it. So good. Here I'm explaining count of star, count of 1 and count of a or xyz whatever it may be, and count of column name. Okay, so let you can clearly observe this one. So for example, if you are using a group by based on this column, then what happen? It will get 1 3 4 null. If I am using count of 1, then what? Count of 1 and count of star both are gets same data. Count of column ignores null. Count of column name ignores null. Simple. So the concept is so simple. So what I am here doing, for example, group by 1 here. Let's run it. So 134 null I am getting. For example, so count of 1. When you run this count of 1, then what I am getting? For this one I am getting 2, 3 1 and 4 2 null 3 and 4 2 null 3. See, 1 2 3 1 4 2 null 3. Similarly, count of 1 and equal to count of star, getting same result. So 2 1 2 3. But what I am getting, count of column name null values, ignores null values. It always ignores null values. See, I am not getting null values and rest of the values I am getting. Correct? So count ignores null values. And one more thing is there. Yeah. I hope this one is good. For example, yeah. Okay. I'm getting yes here. So, for example, count of 1 or count of a or count of xyz, whatever it may be, everything is same. Okay. Yeah, everything is same. Nothing. If you ignore this one, then what happened? For example, comma and 1, then it will be repeats 1, no? So similarly count of ones. So nothing is there. It's so simple and So easiest concept this one. Aggregation functions, see, for example, for example, this concept is over now, so you can check it in a clear manner. You can check it count of 1 or count of a or count of x or count of z, whatever it may be, everything gets same. So I want one more thing. What I want it, for example, select star from T2. Let's run it. Then good. So here group by 1. For example, sum of C. Sum of C, what you are getting? Sum of C. For example, sum of C, this sum C, na? So here I am getting 2, here I am getting 3, for 4, 8, and now I am not getting, I think so. 2, 3, 8. For example, so for example, already counts will be declared. For example, average of C. See, it ignores null na? Always the aggregation functions ignores null values. See, for example, average of C, you can see average of C, then what? Here is the value. So here same values I'm getting. Average C, same values I'm getting. Sum, average. For example, minimum also same values I'm getting. Minimum also same values I'm getting, and maximum also same values I'm getting. So similarly, count to count of 1, already I am discussed this one, so nothing is there for this one. So as of now, up to you are clear in group by. One more thing will be there. I want to explain in a detailed manner for this. For example, select from T2. Let's run this one. Good, right? So what I want sum of C. What I want sum of C. I want sum of C. Sum of C, here I am getting sum of C. You can sum here, up to here, right? Okay. What I am getting? 2, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. 13 here I am getting. Similarly, for average of C, what I am getting? This is my question. You got it, my point, right? So, for example, here I am getting 1 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4. Okay. Similarly, average what I am getting, it always ignores null. Already I said now, ignores total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements is there, right? So by 5. Similarly, some average, minimum, maximum, minimum of C, definitely I am getting 1. Minimum of C, definitely I am getting 1. And the maximum of C, definitely I am getting 4. Definitely I am getting 4. And you can see count now, count, see count of 1 or count of star, whatever it may be, count of column name ignores null. For example, count of column name, it ignores null. How many things will be there here? 5 records are there. So for example, count of 1, definitely I am getting 8. So let's run this one, what I am seeing. So for example, here, what the sum C? Sum C is 5, 5, 9, 13, right? Sum. Okay, what about the average? I want this one, na? So select, uh, let's run this one. For example, 2.6. What the value here? 2.6 ignores null. So minimum already decide and maximum already getting, and count of column name it ignores null, and the count of one. See, only here the things are very clear. The aggregation functions always ignores null values. The aggregate functions always ignores the null values, except count of star and count of one. Only it holds null values. The rest of the things are ignores. Okay, so column name you can give, it ignores. Everything it ignores. Nothing is there. If the value will be there, then only it can see. Okay, so I hope this one is good, pretty good. So it explains in a clear manner, I think so. So this is the basic concepts of an aggregation functions. Okay, that's it all.